In this video, we will discuss about issues that will be arising out of using functions. I'll be using database AdventureWorks DW for this demo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function that is basically going to accept input as names separated by columns, and what it is going to do is it is going to give us a table as soon as the input is provided with names separated by columns. So let me create this function. You can look at the business logic here, but what it basically does is it checks for the input, and what it looks is it looks for the comma, and then what it basically does is it creates a table with all these values, removing the comma. So let me create the function func underscore table1. Once that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a table called table1 underscore temp, and this table basically gets its data from a table called dim customer, and I'll be creating an index on first name of the table1 underscore temp. Let me create that. So we have close to 18,484 rows. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a variable called name, and then I'm using this as the input value. So if you look at it here, it basically contains the names separated by comma, for example, John, Eugene, Ruben, etc. So this is same as the other one as well. So if you look at it here, basically what I'm seeing is I'm basically declaring this name with all the names separated by comma, and basically joining table 1 underscore temp, and cross applied this function, and I send this value across the whatever variable is there. I'm basically sending it across to the function. So what it basically does is it creates it basically it gets the input and then removes the comma and creates it as a table, and then we are comparing the information that is for table 1 underscore temp. I'm using the join condition as first name is equal to column 1 as far as the function is concerned, and then ordering the column 1 with the data set here. Okay, so what I'll do is I will execute this query, the query completed, and if you look at it, what I'm basically seeing is we are doing close to 177 logical reads, and the query takes close to 20 milliseconds. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is instead of using a function, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to use the inbuilt function string underscore split. I think this is available starting SQL Server 2016. So instead of using this custom function, I'm going to use string underscore split. So let's execute that query. And if I look at the output here, what I'm able to see is the statistics information. What I'm basically able to see is previously when I'm using the function, it used to do logical reads close to 177, and now using the string split function, I'm just completing in 151 logical reads. And as far as the execution time is concerned, I'm just spending 3 milliseconds as far as string split function is concerned, but when I use the function, it is taking close to 20 milliseconds. There is an improvement of 6x when I use a string split. There are some issues associated with string split as far as estimates are concerned. It basically estimates close to 50 rows, but in my case right now what I'm seeing is usage of string split is basically giving me a better performance. So I'll be going ahead and use the strings underscore split function instead of the function func underscore table1. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.